𝑗C_Jazzy and I'm back with another video. As you already read by the title, today is going to be another makeup tutorial for you guys. So let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to do a little transition for you guys. I love the shape of my eyebrows, by the way. I did it myself. Thank you very much. So let's wait for this transition. I made the arch higher, so it kind of uplifts my face and I love it. So here's the transition. Ooh, voila. Now I'm gonna color correct. Ooh, voila. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna use my palette from, I got this palette from Amazon. I'm gonna go in and use the NYX concealer to, you know, brighten the colors a little bit. That shade is in the shade Alabaster, I believe. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add my concealer. So for this look, I wanted to do a little eye look. I'm not good with eyeshadows as yet. I play around with them because I'm trying to learn. But I don't really like eyeshadows like that because I'm not good at it. And also, I don't really, it's not my cup of tea. But because, you know, I'm doing makeup tutorials for you guys, I try to play around with eyeshadows, and that's why I bought myself a palette. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going in. I'm gonna add my foundation. Oh, I really hate this foundation on my skin. It's just a little too, like, it's a little too orange. I don't really like it. I can't wait till it finishes so I can go ahead and buy, you know, the one that I normally bought. I don't want to throw this away because we're in the middle of a pandemic and ain't nobody finna waste their coins like that, okay? So as you guys can see, I went in and I took off the eyeshadow because I wasn't really liking how it was looking. And I didn't really do my edges how I wanted to do it in this video. So I didn't really like this look. But, you know, at the end it turned out a little cute or whatever. So we're going to continue to, you know, watch and see. Also, just a disclaimer, if you guys don't really understand what I am doing, like the process of, you know, what I am doing in this video, then you can go ahead and watch my previous makeup tutorial. I was like, that video was a little bit more in-depth and more, you know, I explained a bit more of what I'm doing and stuff like that. So if you don't really understand what I'm doing in this video, or like the steps, or you want to know the products I use, you can go ahead and watch my previous makeup tutorial that I posted and you get all the information there. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give the video a big thumbs up. Also like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on post notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting, and I love you guys. Bye.